People have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I burn everything I've got. Because people have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I burn everything I've got.
On this tape, you will practice
So what you're saying is, because I can't really tell what you're saying, is that you drive an MR2 and you went in too hot and you ate shit, right? More or less? I don't even know what the flag was. What was the, do we have a flag on there? 151?
No.
Oh, all right, you know what? We'll pretend it didn't happen. Robot Judge is going to be merciful. Robot Judge says that you may go back on the track. So go race and enjoy.
Everything I've got. Because people have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I burn everything I've got. Because people have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I burn everything I've got.
I am Robot Judge. Robot Judge. Very angry that you killed the car. Do not kill car. Do not kill car. Angry judge gives Nixon food. No kill car. No kill car.
President's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I burn everything I've got.